How's everyone doing? So I made this video to kind of show everyone how I built my new PC. I got all of my parts off Evetech. If anyone's interested, I listed the parts in the description. This is not a sponsor, just a shout out to them for hooking me up with all these parts. Everyone, please bear in mind that this is a work in progress. This is my starter build. It's not perfect, but I'm going to improve it as I go along, my whole setup that is. For starters, I purchased a standard 700 watt power supply. It's not modular, meaning there's a lot of unnecessary cables just chilling everywhere, looking unneat, and it's kind of bugging me. But I'll upgrade to a modular power supply and make it look much better in the near future. But yeah, let's jump straight into the build. So the CPU is installed with the CPU cooler and the 32GB of RAM with my 2TB M.2, and the power supply has also been installed. During the time of this build, I was busy moving, so I took a bit of a break to move some boxes and other things, but I got back to the build a bit later in the evening. Okay guys, so it was the moment of truth. I was very glad to see that it was turning on and everything was working. When I first turned it on, I noticed the LCD screen at the front was not working, so I took a look and noticed I didn't even plug the cable in. So I saw it was just sitting there hidden away, but I ended up getting that all sorted out. Besides the random cables, I think it looks good. I will make some upgrades in the near future and post it too. I did run some FPS checks on No Man's Skies as well as Call of Duty. I'll show my settings, and all the gameplay shown is all from my PC, so I think it's working very well. No problems yet. I'm quite happy with this build. Alright, cheers.